Hi friends, this is Viswanath, chemistry faculty. See the answers for forensic laboratory exam. The total number of symmetry elements present in a perfect cubic crystal. Now, what are symmetry elements? See this. The total number of planes, axes and center of symmetries possessed by a crystal is termed as elements of symmetry. A crystal having different planes and different axes of symmetry and different planes of symmetry and center of symmetry. All these things collectively called as elements of symmetry. For a perfect crystal, total number of symmetry elements are 23. Option D is the answer. Next. The symmetry element S6 is present in 4 molecules are given. First one, CH3Cl, methyl chloride. It has E. E means identity operation. This is also called C1 rotation. And C3 axis, that means threefold axis of symmetry and 3 vertical plane of symmetries. Sigma V means vertical plane of symmetries. So it does not have S6 symmetry element. Next, NH3. It has one C3 rotation axis and 3 vertical planes of symmetry, sigma V. It also does not having S6 plane of symmetry. Next, ethane, staggered form. In this C3 rotation axis, it has a C3 rotation axis and 3 C2 rotation axis perpendicular to the C3 axis. And the staggered form has a 6-fold improper axis of rotation. This is nothing but S6. So S6 symmetry element is present in ethane in staggered form but not eclipsed form. Remember carefully. So staggered form of ethane having S6 symmetry element. Allene, it has 2 perpendicular C2 axis and dihedral plane of symmetry and S4, 4-fold improper axis of rotation, this one. Okay, so option C is the answer for this question. It has S6 symmetry element. Next, which of the following, next question, which of the following molecule possess only one symmetry element? H2O, CHCl, BRF, NOCl, H2O2. Say this, first one, H2O, water molecule. It has identity operation and C2Z axis of symmetry and plane of symmetry through XZ plane and plane of symmetry through YZ plane. H2O2, it has C2 axis of symmetry and 2 vertical planes of symmetry. Sigma V plane means vertical plane of symmetries. And CHCl, it has only one symmetry, that is identity operation. This is also called C1 rotation. No other symmetry elements are present in this molecule. No plane of symmetry, no center of symmetry, only identity operation. And NOCl, in this plane of symmetry is present. This molecule belongs to CS point group and it has identity. E means identity operation. So only this molecule having only one type of symmetry element. Option B is the answer. Next, the degrees of freedom in the single phase areas of water system in the phase diagram is, say this, the least number of phases possible in any system is 1. So according to the phase rule equation, a one component system should have a maximum of 2 degrees of freedom. Here also same thing, component is 1, only water is the component in this, and what are the degrees of freedom means 2 degrees of freedom. Option D is the answer. Next, the chemical potential of ice, liquid water and water vapor in phase diagram of water system are mu S, mu L and mu Z respectively. The correct relationship of chemical potentials of three phases in water system at a triple point is, already we know that in phase diagram of water, triple point means all the three physical states, solid ice, liquid water, gaseous water vapor are present at a particular temperature, that is called a triple point. Now the question is, at a triple point, what is the relation between chemical potentials of these three phases? See here, in phase diagram of water system, at a triple point, the chemical potentials of ice, liquid water, water vapor are equal. So option D is the answer. Remember carefully. Next. A salt, when reacted with dilute HCl, gave a gas A with pungent smell. When A is exposed to a filter paper dipped in acidified K2Cr2O7, the filter paper turned into green due to the formation of ion B. A and B are respectively. Okay, here a salt treated with dilute HCl, a gas with pungent smell. That released gas with pungent smell is SO2. When this SO2 is treated with filter paper dipped in acidified K2Cr2O7, that means K2Cr2O7 plus H2SO4. So K2Cr2O7 plus H2SO4 plus 3SO2 gives rise to K2SO4 plus Cr2SO4 thrice plus H2O. K2Cr2O7, it has orange color, and when this filter paper is exposed to SO2, we can observe green color due to the formation of this salt. In this, Cr3 plus ion is there. Therefore, here the gas A is SO2 and formed ion B is Cr3 plus. Option B is the answer. Next. Which of the following drugs can be estimated by a diazotization titration? Say this. Diazotization titration is used to estimate drugs which are aromatic primary amines. In the given three drugs, benzocaine and dapsone, these two are having aromatic primary amine structure. This is benzocaine structure, NH2 group is present. Dapsone, it is also having NH2 groups. So these two are having aromatic primary amines. So these two can be estimated by diazotization. Now option B is the answer. Okay, we'll meet you in the next class.